name is Brent Downing with E.L. Robinson Engineering, and I served as the design project manager for the Franklin 71 project.
My name is Melissa Hoffman. I work for District 6. I was an engineer on the 71 project.
Franklin 71 project was a third lane widening project from just north of State Route 665 to Stringtown Road. It involved some minor profile changes to accommodate the third lane widening.
This project needed it because the pavement conditions in this area was very depleted, and those needed updated, as well as the enhanced capacity.
It included 11,000 feet of drainage and 135 inlets and catch basins.
Both of those aspects granted the full pavement repair through this 5-mile-long project.
You know, it had to be a lot of coordination at first with District 6.
Originally, the Franklin County 71 from the county line all the way up to the downtown split at I-70 was 3 different projects that ODOT planned to fund around the same time. And this was the middle project of the 3. So the plans were originally designed for that aspect. Pretty close to bid time, both the north and south projects got pushed back due to environmental permits.
We had to change the plans after tracings were filed to basically tie into existing now and have the MOT scheme now tie it back into existing instead of tying into the adjacent project.
With the help of E.L. Robinson, we were able to get the updated MOT and final configurations to the contractor for accurate bidding purposes. It was a pilot project for 3D 4D modeling. E.L. Robinson provided a 3D model to the contractor that they could use to help build their job. And then the contractor added a 4D element, which was their time component.
There was an Everyday Counts initiative that we worked with ODOT Central Office and the district on. Provided the first 3D model on a project, and that was used in conjunction with their schedule to create the 4D models.
So we got those throughout the project with the different phases on how long it would take them and how much quantity in each section of the phases throughout the project.
Sort of a streamlined process for getting the project built to the proper slope and elevations.
I think we built a fairly accurate project because of that 3D model. After the project started, we had Vandal fence that needed to be added to the White Road bridges. So again, we had to communicate with E.L. Robinson and how to install those and what design and how much and everything of that nature. So they had to redesign the bridges to show the Vandal fencing. It was very efficient, and we got quick responses, which was very appreciative on the project level.
The partnering process, I think, went fairly well. There was a lot of communication with construction. We had to work with them to make any plan changes in a timely manner.
I mean, as long as you keep an open line of communication between everyone, it's kind of easygoing.
We attended regular meetings, construction meetings at the start. Everyone was on the same page after the meeting as to what was discussed and what needed to be done.
If we did have something, we could openly discuss it at the progress meetings with the contractor there, so they kind of knew what was coming as well.
It had to be a collaborative effort on everyone's part. It was a fairly straightforward project. I mean, it was just a lot of changes that needed to be done in a short period of time at the end.
Being on a project in close proximity to the old one now is nice because I can drive through it pretty much every day. So I can say, hey, I was on that, I built that. It's neat to just point out what you did and have a little bit of pride in building it, because it did turn out well, and it looks nice and rides really nice, so everything worked out.